Good day, students. The topic I have with you this afternoon in mathematics is variation. Having discussed different types of variation, I would like us to continue with what? First of all, to start with direct variation. Let's consider this question on the board. For example 1, the value of A varies directly as the square of B. When A is equal to 3, B equals to 2. Find A. Find I. The relationship between A and B. A when B is equal to 5. B when A is equal to 12. Solution to the above equation. The first thing we need to do here is to transcribe this question into a mathematical form. They said the value of A, this is value of A, varies, this is sign of varies, directly as the square of B. Directly as the square of B. Then, before we can continue further, we need to what? Remove the sign of proportionality and introduce a constant, which is known as the constant of proportionality. In this regard, we say A equals to K multiplied by B squared. Then if I simplify this completely, I will now have A is equals to B. A is equals to B squared multiplied by what? By K, which is KB squared. Now A is given as what? A is given as 3 and B is given as 2. So we're going to substitute the value of A and B in order to get the constant of proportionality. In this case, we say A, which is equals to 3, equal to K, which is unknown, multiplied by B. B is 2, and we'll have square on top of 2. To simplify further, I'll have 3 is equals to K multiplied by 2 square, means 2 times 2, which is what? 4. I'll multiply K and 4. And this will give me 3 equal to 4K, because K times 4 will give me 4K. If 3 is equal to 4K, it also implies that 4K is also equals to what? To 3. So we are looking for the value of K. We therefore divide both sides by the coefficients of K. And the coefficients of K is 4. So I will now say 4K over 4 equals to 3 over 4. 4 cancel 4. K is equals to 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 is the constant of the proportionality. So we can now solve for question 1, which says the relationship between A and B. How do we get it? The relationship between what? Between A and B. Since K is equal to 3 over 4, from that transcription here we'll have A equals to K multiplied by B what? Square. So anywhere I see K, I'll replace it with what? 3 over 4. Therefore, A equals to 3 over 4 B squared. This is known as the connecting, call it connecting what? Formula. This is known as the connecting formula. So for II, we are to solve for A when B is equal to 5. So from the connecting formula, A equal to 3 over 4B squared. Our interest is to get the value of A, but B has been given as what? B has been given as 5. So A equals to 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 squared. A equals to 3 over 4 times 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is what? 25. So A is equals to 3 times 25 will give me what? 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 75 over 4. This is the value of what? A. Therefore, A, okay, you can leave your answer like this. For III, find B when A is equal to 12. From the same connecting formula, A has been given as 3 over 4 B squared. So our interest is to calculate the value of A, and A here has been given as what? When A is equal to what? 12. So I have 12 equals to 3 over 4 b squared. So this b squared, I can write this as what? 12 all over 1 equals to 3 times b squared will give me 3b squared over 4. So from here I will cross multiply. Cross multiply. So for me to cross multiply this, I will have what? 3b squared times 1 will give me what? Will give me 3b squared equals to 4 times 12 is what? 4 times 12, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1, that is 48. To get the value of b squared, we divide both sides by the coefficients of b squared. And the coefficients of b squared is 3. So I'll now say 3b squared all over 3 equals to 48 over 3. This cancels this. B squared equals to 48 over 3 is what? 48 over 3, right? Change 16. Then to get the value of b, we take the square root of both sides. So I have the square root of b squared equals to the square root of what? 16. The square cancels the root, leaving what? B equals to the square root of 16 is what? Is 4. If you find this topic interesting, I would like you to share the video, comment, meet you in my next class.